Hey everyone, my name is Brittany, and up until about a week and a half ago, I was a social worker in a skilled nursing facility. It was responsible for providing rehab services for the elderly. Perhaps someone had a fall at home, so they would come and stay for an acute stay, or we also had a long-term care part to the facility as well. Unfortunately, the company came under new ownership and we were restructured, so I lost my job. And it's a little bit of an uncomfortable place, but I'm just trying to get my resume out there and land another job, which I'm pretty hopeful that that'll happen soon. And as for the previous classes, I enjoyed the creative freedom to take a topic that we were interested in or passionate about and then applying it to that area of social work that we were currently learning about. As for social policy, I'm excited to kind of learn how the policies are made and dictated and how it's deciding that we need those specific policies. As a social worker trying to get somebody back into the community, it was very important that I kind of knew about those services. So it'll be interesting to get the whole picture of how things are created. Thanks for watching my video, and I'm excited to start class with everyone.